Okay, comparator, he's giving you two 4-bit numbers, A0, A1, A2, A3, and then you've got B0, B1, B2, B3. Okay, B0 is the least significant bit, goes all the way to the right. A and B3 are the most significant bit, it goes all the way to the left. Does that make sense? So he's given you the last two for A and then all of B. B is not going to change, okay? So B is 0, 1, 1, 1. That's the number for B, okay? He's given you A0 and A1, okay? And we're going to use it to figure out if we are greater than, A is greater than B is what we want, okay? All right.
And B
So,
doesn't change, right?
And B is not going to change because we've been given all 4 inputs for B, right? So, with our first time stamp, right, we have A0 is 0 and A1 is 0. So then we've got 0, 0, 1, 1 is our number in this first T1, right? So now we've got to compare. How does A stack up against B?
It's smaller.
Okay, because this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then this is 12, 13, 14, right? For this first timestamp.
Use 3 for the leading bit.
3 is the leading bit, all the way to the left. Okay?
That's always, right? It's like always the bigger place.
Always, yeah.
Okay, so it's the most significant.
Right? Because this is 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3.
Wow.
Yes?
Okay.
Yes? Okay, so we've compared the first two. Now this is when B is greater than A, right? So we're not going to draw anything in here because B is greater than A. Or you can write it as A is less than B. Let's write it like that. A is less than B in that first one. Okay? So now we've got to look at our next time. Okay? We have A naught comes in as 1 and A1 comes in as 1. So 1, 1.
Greater.
So this is 15. This is always going to be 14. So we plot when A is greater than B. Okay? A is greater than B. That's our outcome. This is what we want. Okay? It only wants to see when A is greater than B. That's the only thing we're plotting. Okay? On the next one, we have A naught is 1. And then we have A1 is 0. Right? What number is that? 13. 13 compared to 14, okay? A is less than B again. Okay? So we're not going to plot anything. Okay? Next waveform, A0 is 0 and A1 is 1. Okay? So they're equal to one another. So it's A is equal to B. The only thing he's asked you to graph here again is that A is greater than B. So that's the only time where we have a 1, if you will. Okay? You're basically just comparing it. Does everybody see how that's happening? Okay? They just use the same graph for, something totally different. Okay?
So the only ones that are changing is A0 and A1?
A0 and A1, because you've been given the rest of A and A2 and A3. You've been given all of B. Okay? Yes? Does this make sense to everyone? If it doesn't, let me know. Good. Okay. The next one is the decoder. Okay? So, decoder works similar to the mux, right, Derek? Very similar to the mux. Okay? I'm going to move on to that in a second. I'm going to pause my stuff.